All right. I just got this Browning bookmark today, shot it, decided to disassembly and cleaning, and this is what happened. This rod assembly flew out from the back that holds, I guess this is the buffer. This is the buffer. It's supposed to go in there, but it was missing this clamp. See it? Without it, the spring stretches out. So I don't know if that's from the factory or not, but when I took the whole thing out, this spring flew out, and I went to AutoZone and bought one of these kits. So if you guys have a Browning bookmark and you experience this problem, instead of ordering the whole new recoil assembly, just go to AutoZone, and let me show you where it's supposed to connect. Right there on the groove. There is a groove right there on the end. All right, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.